a little bit things that I've learned about hiring. Hiring is not always the solution. I know this is just saying my words back, but hiring is not always the solution. Okay? Because most of you think that if I hire a X person, my wife problem gonna be solved. मैं एक अच्छा मीडिया बायर हायर कर लूंगा, मेरे पास लीड ही लीड होगी. Majority of the room wanna think the same. Okay? अगर मैं एक अच्छा कोल्ड ईमेल वाला बंदा ले लूंगा, मेरा कोल्ड ईमेल का सब कुछ सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएगा. It's not like that. Because founders needs to make their hands dirty. ठीक है? Shubhadeep cannot come and say to me that this thing is impossible in cold email because I've made my hands own dirty. समझ रहे हो? Founders needs to know that. I am not saying that founders needs to do everything, but founders needs to make their hands dirty at least for start. कि कोई आपको कल आके टोपी ना पहना है. अगर किसी की हिंदी अच्छी है तो हमारे यहाँ पे ना, आई एम फ्रॉम अयोध्या, ओके, यूपी. सो हमारे यहाँ पे ना एक कहावत है हिंदी में कि लग्गी से पानी पिलाना, विच मीन्स आप ना, जैसे यहाँ पे ये बैठा है रवि सैनी. सो मैं यहाँ से उसको पानी पिलाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, वो कभी नहीं पी पाएगा. दैट्स वॉट फाउंडर्स ऑलवेज ट्राई टू डू. ओके, दे ट्राई टू डू, भाई तू आके मेरा कोल्ड ईमेल सॉल्व कर दे, बट तुझे कुछ नहीं पता है. Okay, this is not targeted towards anyone, but it's a general thing. We always try to do things relying on somebody else. I seen so many posts, hey, I'm hiring for appointment setters. Have you tried to do some appointment setting by yourself? Do you know basics of appointment setting? I am hiring lead generation specialist. That's the #1 post in our WhatsApp community. How many of the time you have tried to do that? That's the #1 thing. So you have to do that thing a lot of times, okay? थोड़ा सा कर लो, but you should know the basics of how that XYZ process works. Okay? Once you know how that XYZ process works, then hire someone externally. हर चीज खुद से मत करो. Once you know how that system works, that system in your company, how it would work, then go for external hiring. Now, what do I mean by external hiring? External hiring is the sole reason we went from a team of 25 plus people to 170 people. External hiring. A lot of you gonna raise hand for this, okay? How many of the time that you think that you're going to hire somebody and then you start putting it out in the Facebook group of SB doers, our WhatsApp community, and 3-4 other places? How many of you are like that? You need somebody to hire and do that things, right? Don't do that. क्योंकि वो सब एक mindset वाले लोग हैं, वो सब founders mindset वाले लोग हैं, उनको खुद का कुछ करना है, and they don't see a value to work with you for a long term. I have always got great value, जिसका भी फोन है बंद कर देना. So I've seen great value out when you go and hire externally. LinkedIn has so much talent that you cannot even imagine. Okay? Naukri.com has so much talent that you cannot even imagine. Okay? आपको लगता है ये चीज तो ऐसा है कि बंदे नहीं मिलेंगे. If you know GHL India team is 1200 people. GHL India technical team is 1200 people. If you just reach out to 13-15 people on LinkedIn, hey, we are hiring somebody to manage GHL and ऐसा वैसा, you'll get people from there. External hiring is the sole reason our agency grows. Because we don't now we do hiring. I think we have stopped doing any hiring post on our communities at all. Either we go to direct, like people that we know, people that have shared that, oh, we are interested for this. External hirings always brings the scale. Okay? Next is, I can bet my life savings to say that there are more talented people that you could imagine ready to work at prices lower than you think. Because you are trying to tap people in your vicinity. ठीक है? रवि सैनी से आपको काम करवाना है, वो बोलेगा 40,000 लूंगा मैं, अगर मैं तुम्हें फुल टाइम ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है? बट वो फिर 40,000 लेने के 3 महीने बाद सोचेगा इतना तो मैं पहले भी बना ले रहा था, क्यों इसके साथ काम करूँ? ठीक है, मैं खुद का कुछ करूँगा. You don't have to find that people. If you want to grow your agency, you have to find people who have that mindset कि मेरे को नौकरी करना है, जो इस रूम में किसी का नहीं है. और फिर यहाँ से आप हायरिंग करने का सोचते हो, या FGS या किसी इवेंट से हायरिंग करने का सोचते हो, और फिर वो वर्कआउट नहीं करता. Because they come from that independent person mentality. Okay? And you have to find job people, जो आपको LinkedIn और other places पे मिलेंगे. आपको imagine भी नहीं कर पाओगे. You can get a person who has 11 years of sales experience, who is ready to work at 52 to 65,000 rupees per month and guarantees a sale of 12 to 15,000 dollars, क्योंकि उसको आपको कुछ भी नहीं सिखाना है, आप सीखोगे ही उससे. That is the number one thing. Like I can tell you, you can tell me the name of the position and I can tell you what is the price that's going on in the market, and वही same price पे आप किसी को इस रूम से हायर करोगे या इस रूम के बाहर से हायर करोगे, वो नहीं काम करेंगे आपके साथ. आपको फिर आप सोचते हो अरे यार ये टैलेंट हायर करने के लिए मेरे को ज़्यादा पैसा देना पड़ेगा, बट जब आप कंपटीशन में जाओगे तो आपको अलग अलग रेट मिलेंगे, राइट? जब आप प्राइजेस देते हो किसी क्लाइंट को तो किसी और के पास जाता है ना कम प्राइजेस लेने, ठीक है? वही सेम चीज होता है जॉब मार्केट का भी, एंड वी गेट एब्सोल्यूट ग्रेट टैलेंट फ्रॉम जॉब मार्केट. Momentum is everything. If you're not closing the deal, someone else will. This is one slide that you can take a screenshot. क्योंकि I follow this mentality that अगर मैं किसी client को close नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं grow नहीं कर रहा हूँ, तो मेरी जगह कोई और खा रहा है. Very simple that. क्योंकि if I'm not at the position 1, somebody else is taking that position 1. That position 1 is not like कि I won't let anyone come into this, right? So momentum is everything. Every moment wasted is somebody else taking out that same momentum. Monday to Sunday के बीच में आपने एक भी दिन break नहीं देखा, okay? It's not like that I don't take a break, but it's like a very minuscule break. Because momentum is everything. What we think is कोई बंदा काम नहीं किया 3 महीने तक तो उसको हटा देंगे, okay? But उस बंदे ने आपके 3 महीने खा लिए. What if उसकी जगह पे कोई एक अच्छा बंदा होता and he would have get you the results. We calculate losses कि हम ये इवेंट में आ गए, यहाँ पे हमने इतना पैसा दे दिया, हमने ये कर लिया, but why don't we calculate the momentum का loss? I calculate momentum का loss, okay? What if I don't get this thing achieved in that day? What am I going to lose in this? Momentum is everything, okay? If you're not winning, somebody else would be. If you're not working hard, somebody else would be. If you're not hiring better, someone else would be hiring that same talent. Okay? If you're not building the system, someone else is building the systems. Momentum is everything. Okay? We would be happy with ShortWiz at what we have built. Now we are having a chul ki ab hum log jaake 17 February ko we are launching a whole SaaS, which complements Sevi. Okay? Which complements ShortWiz as an app. So what we are trying to do is, if I'm not going ahead, somebody else is going to take my thing. We are always in that fear of position ranking. हम बहुत डरते हैं. We fear a lot. Because if we don't fear, we would think, oh, we are the king in this thing. And you have to have this mindset that momentum is everything. When you think of 10,000 is hard, people are already doing 50,000 a week.